If you've not been cooking your pork crackling this way, then you've been doing it all wrong. This banging air fryer crispy Chinese pork belly is the best I've ever eaten. Don't worry, the full recipe's down in the caption. Let's start with a little flavour injection. So combine black pepper, garlic granules, 5-spice, salt and a little bit of optional seasoning, along with a glug of rice wine. Mix this together into a paste. Score the skin of the pork belly and make a few cuts into the underside, approximately where you'd like to portion the meat. Pour over the spice mix, then rub this into all of the cuts, making sure you don't get any on the skin. Wrap the base in foil and up the sides, then pop this into the fridge uncovered overnight. When you're ready to cook, brush with a little bit of oil, then sprinkle over a generous amount of salt. This is going into the air fryer at 140 for 30 minutes. Once cooked, remove as much of the salt as you can, then back into cook again until the crackling is beautiful and golden. Now let's take a chance to listen to that ASMR. Obviously, if you want to do just a plain pork belly this way, then skip the spice stage, but I will never cook pork belly any other way again. This was the juiciest and most tender pork I've ever eaten, and my one bit of advice would be to try and go and source the best quality meat that your budget will allow. It really will make a difference. Now, if you want to try a few more of my recipes, then make sure you go and check out my brand new website. The link is in my bio. This pork belly was banging!